गोय कार्निवाल अन्न आनी सांस्कृतिक महोत्सव 2018 9 ते 13 फेब्रुवार मजगती जातलो। अन्न आनी सांस्कृतिक महोत्सव 9 फेब्रुवाराक सुरवात जातलो जाल्यार 10 फेब्रुवाराक पणजेन फ्लोट जातलो। मिरामार दोनापावल रूटार फ्लोट मिरवणुकेक सुरवात जातली। त्या भायर बुधवारा 2018च्या कार्निवाल गिताचे लोकार्पण जातले। आडेक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केंजिल रॉड्रिगीस आनी जोसेफ फेर्नांडीस।
आणि फ्लोट्स जे आमचे आसात हे 13 तारखेपासून चालू जातले। तसेच 10 तारखेपासून 10 ते 13 9 तारखेक फूड अँड कल्चर फेस्टिवल हो 9 तारखेक स्टार्ट जातलो। 9 ते 13 हे दोन्ही उत्सव फूड अँड कल्चर तुगेले आहा। फूड अँड कल्चर फेस्टिवल आणि कार्निवाल हो धूम धडाक्यान गोंयांत 3 दीस धूम धडाक्यान चलतलो। फ्लोट जे आमचे आसात राजधानी पणजेसान चालू जातले आणि आता मातसो जागो मातसो चेंज जाला। मिरामार सर्कल जे आसा बीच सर्कल थंयच्यान स्टार्ट जातलो फ्लोट्स। आमचो परेड जो आहा फ्लोट्स परेड आहा तो थंयच्यान स्टार्ट जातलो आणि हे फ्लोट्स जे आसात ह्या फाटी बऱ्यांतले बरे फ्लोट्स तुमकां पळोवपाक मेळटले। आमचे कल्चर गोंयकारपण हे तेजे भितर चडांत चड आमी दाखोवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा आनी गोंयची संस्कृती गोंयचे कल्चर घेवन आमी फुडें वयतले। गोवा फूड अँड कल्चर फेस्टिवल हे फाटी बरे धूम धडाक्यान आमी करपाक सोदता। तेजे भितर बरे बँड्स आसतले, बरे डान्सर आसतले, बरे जेवणय आसतले जे गोंयचे सारके लोकां कडेन मागता आनी प्रेसा कडेन मागता ह्या कार्निवाल उत्सवाक 3 दीस तुमचो भरपूर आमकां सपोर्ट मेळचो।
We have budding artists here. They are there. They will be here presenting the song of the Carnival team this year, which will be the focal point of this year's Carnival. And both these youngsters, our local team, who has made this song, will be the focal point of this Carnival team this time. Secondly, King Momo has already said that the concept of clean Goa and beautiful Goa is what he dreams of having for these 3 years. So 3 days celebration, 4 days celebration, what is Carnival celebration under the leadership of King Momo, Shri Bruno Azaredo. The message I think he has made it very clear. Let us enjoy the Carnival spirit in Goa. But Honorable Minister also says that Carnival spirit Karya, but let us keep clean Goa as the destination, this focal point this time.
This year we have changed the route of the Carnival parade. The Carnival parade will start from Science Center and culminate at Hotel Swimsea. So the floats will be parked on the road from Science Center up to Adarsh, and we will not allow any parking over there. So the second part of the parade is that the floats, once they finish at the end point, they will not be allowed to come back into the city. They will be leaving via the GMC road. They will not be allowed to take a U-turn and come back. Now the parking which is there, we have allowed parking on SAG ground, on ADC Plaza, and VIP parking will be on the route from Miramar to Science Center. Besides, there will be parking available from CMC to Karanjale side. So the route from Miramar to Dhanapal will be closed for traffic. All traffic will be diverted onto the Karanjale road to go and come.
I was over the moon because all my life I've been dancing for the carnival floats, and also I did 2 King Momo floats, but not as a King Momo. And what I'm saying is that I want all the youngsters from Goa, because they have so much of talents that they could actually join the carnival, where their talents can be used later and picked up, because they've got so much of art and which fashion designing, which is introduced in the carnival parades and all that. So let's all get together and join in the carnival and make a great carnival time, and so that we can get out the message to the world.